back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review that I got from TikTok Shop. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss a single video. Wig caps. Here's what it looks like. Love the body waves. Two combs in the front, one in the back with adjustable straps. It's a two-part wig. Here's what the parting space looks like. And here's what the hairline looks like. You do get a little bit of snags towards the ends, but it's super soft. And you do get some shedding due to it being synthetic and 613 hair.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where I call my home. Whenever you're down, I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever. You see through the storm and take me as I am. Baby, it's magic and we turn it back together. Come make us hold you for life. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you're there by my side. Hold you for life. So tight, coming closer.
It don't cost, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, oh. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did win by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl out, oh. I'm a mind that's you the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy and I know that get pose like the Baba Frayo. Ayo, don't cry, yo.
$26 to $23 wig off of the TikTok Shop review. Love the color. You do get a little bit of snags towards the end, which is normal. It does shed. Parting space looks natural. Here's what the hairline is looking like. Growing from my scalp. The texture feels very soft. If you want this wig, follow me on TikTok. The link will be down below in the description, and you will see it in my showcase. And I have a lot more stuff to do over there on TikTok, so you might as well go follow me anyways, because not everything is on YouTube.
Why you say I did nothing for you, and if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life.